Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can make a significant difference for anyone looking to harness solar energy effectively: the 45-inch solar panel mount brackets with adjustable tilt for 100 to 400 watt solar panels. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these solar panel mount brackets? In essence, they are a versatile and robust mounting solution designed to secure solar panels on various surfaces, whether it's a roof, RV, boat, or even on the ground. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy paired with triangular bracing, these brackets offer exceptional stability without adding unnecessary weight to your installation. They can withstand wind loads of up to 2,400 pascals, which is equivalent to approximately 130 miles per hour hurricane winds, and they can handle snow loads of 1.4 knots per square meter. With a load-bearing capacity of 120 kilograms, they are built to endure the elements, making them ideal for both hot summers and cold winters. One of the standout features of these brackets is their adjustable angle and height. The mount supports an impressive range of 0 degrees to 90 degrees adjustment. This flexibility can boost your solar electricity output by up to 50% compared to fixed-angle systems, allowing for optimal sun tracking and maximum energy generation throughout the day. Plus, when not in use, the solar panel kit can be easily folded and transported, making it a convenient option for those who like to take their solar setup on the go. The design also ensures that one person can safely set up and lock the bracket in place, which is a significant advantage for solo users. Installation is another area where these brackets shine. They support both horizontal and vertical installations, and the precision pre-drilled holes make the setup process quick and straightforward. The kit includes practical accessories such as M8 knob screws and M8 wing nuts, ensuring you have everything needed for a hassle-free installation experience. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who relies on solar energy, be it for an RV adventure, a boat trip, or simply to reduce your carbon footprint at home, these brackets are a fantastic choice. They are versatile enough for a wide range of applications. You can mount your solar panels on flat roofs, garage roofs, balconies, walls, and even on the ground in gardens or terraces. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast looking to power your camper or boat, or a homeowner wanting to maximize energy efficiency, these mount brackets will fit your needs perfectly. In practical use cases, let's consider a few scenarios. Imagine you're camping in a remote location with no access to electricity. With these adjustable brackets, you can easily set up your solar panels on the ground or on your RV, ensuring you have power for your devices. Alternatively, if you're living in an urban setting and want to install panels on your balcony, these brackets provide a reliable and non-intrusive mounting option to optimize your energy production. In conclusion, the 45-inch solar panel mount brackets with adjustable tilt are a versatile, durable, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to make the most of solar energy. They provide the stability and flexibility needed to maximize your solar panels' efficiency, no matter where you choose to set them up. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget